I've been hearing like King Kong Unicorn, but I haven't heard anything for Flying Dragons. What's the Flying Dragons thing? Can we hear a cheer for Flying Dragons too? Unicorn? Alright, fantastic. I wish both you teams amazing, amazing luck. Well, Royal Navy, oh sorry guys, Royal Navy, there we go. Okay, let's hear your cheer. Alright, you guys are right. Brouhaha all the way. I can tell you I'm just having a fantastic time here with you guys. It's always nice to come back to college and spend some time with you guys. This is Tina Desai. I just wanna, she's worked in our film called Sharafat Gayi Tel Lene that's releasing on the 16th of Jan. So hope you guys catch it, hope you guys love it. It's a comic thriller. There's a song called Selfies, so I'm sure you guys can catch it on YouTube or Z Music, and I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with that one. So enjoy your rest of your college event. I'm not gonna take too much time. All the best, brouhaha all the way, guys. Love you guys, man. Cheers.
I'd like to repeat, please go and watch the film. I must say I'm very overwhelmed by your fest. I'm from Bangalore and our fests are a lot more small scale. You guys, your setup, the teams, your energy, I cannot describe the energy. I kind of feel bad my college wasn't this lively, but I have a fabulous show with your talent round and everything. Thank you very much for inviting us and please watch the film. Thank you.
हाँ, बहुत याद आ रहा है कि मैं कितनी बार गुजर चुका हूँ इस ऑफिस से. नहीं, of course, yeah, when you are back in college, I think, the principal's office, the college, the energy, I think all in all, you just have such nostalgic moments and you just feel really good about it. Now that you're so far away from it, you realize, what you missed. It's only when you are not there you realize how much you miss it. So I definitely miss college. I miss my friends. I mean, everything about this place is just reminding me of, those times we used to like do projects and be with friends and do musical shows and do events and festivals like Brouhaha, which is organized chaos and such an apt term for a festival and for a college festival. So yeah, here we are, amongst all these kids who have such aspirations of becoming actors and directors and each one is, I think they all are on the right road. They just seem to
Confident.
They seem to be extremely confident. That's what I have to give them. And what I liked about them most is they're not fearful of saying what they want to be. Otherwise, a lot of people, I think back in the day, used to have a lot more stage fright. But thanks to social media, everybody's an actor today. Everybody's on camera, and everybody talks about how cool they are and X, Y, Z. So it was fantastic. Yeah.
I was saying that on stage actually. It's very different in Bangalore where I'm from. Everyone's a lot shyer and quieter and here everyone's just like, it doesn't matter if the principal's in the room or teachers are in the room. Everyone's screaming, yelling, doing their thing. They're confident, they voice themselves. It's an extremely different experience for me and it's fun to see that people can be that open even in college. So it's an experience for me itself.
देखो, कॉलेज में कोई शरीफ नहीं होता है, तो मैं ये अंडरलाइन करता हूँ. सब लोग थोड़े बहुत नटखट होते हैं और सब लोग थोड़ी बहुत नॉटी होते हैं, लेकिन वो है एक सफ़र है, एक वक्त होता है कि अगर आप कॉलेज में नॉटी नहीं होंगे तो कब होंगे. लेकिन यह बात ये भी है कि आपको अपना क्लासेस करना चाहिए, आपको अपने ग्रेड्स मेंटेन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो आने वाला कॉलेज है वो ज़िंदगी है, वो एक ही चांस देता है. कॉलेज में आपको शायद 2-3 चांसेस मिलेंगे. तो ऑफ कोर्स शराफत गई तेल लेने, एक पिक्चर के नाते ही मैं यही कहूँगा कि इट वाज एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस टू मेक द फिल्म. लेकिन मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा सबसे कि शरीफ ना बनो कॉलेज में क्योंकि आजकल एक्चुअली शरीफ इज़ बिकम काइंड ऑफ हॉट, जस्ट शराफत से जियो तो you're kind of cool. So yeah, but here we are in Sydenham College in Brouhaha promoting.
He was quite calm sitting in the principal's office. For me, it's like, principal's office. And he's like, yeah, whatever, yo, what's up with you? And I'm like, wow, not bad.
No,
enjoy.
actually, you should always have a good relationship with your principal team.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
I didn't even want to see his face.
Even if it's a bad one, you should always maintain a relationship with your principal. You should not be those kids that your principal never remembers you. Actually, if I
Better
go back
off.
to school, I'm 100% sure that my principal will at least remember me. Because I've seen him so often. So yeah, that's the truth. That's the truth. यार मैसेज तो यही देना चाहूँगा कि go watch, go enjoy, romantic comic thriller. It's a movie that मैं पहली बार इस किस्म का किरदार निभा रहा हूँ उसमें और it's fantastic. It's hilariously funny. It's got a super kind of music lineup and I think it's a real fun movie. So आजकल सब लोग जाते हैं थिएटर एंटरटेन होने तो जाके एंटरटेन कीजिए अपने आप को और have fun. Yeah, go have fun, see the movie. What do you say?
Yeah, I think it's fast paced. I think it's got a little elements of all kinds of entertainment that people like. And in spite of having a message, there's no preachiness to it. It's just, there's
And
fun
I don't know when we'll do the
thrown
next
in.
movie together. So please watch so that we can do another movie together.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you.